Welcome to Expert SCM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, we are going to see a term related with the upstream and downstream. By breaking down the supply chain into these two categories, supply chain manager can gain deeper insight into the inefficiencies or obstacles, optimize cost, and ultimately maximize the customer value. Here is how these two concepts work in practice, as well as different approaches to managing downstream and upstream supply chain. The upstream supply chain includes all activity related to organization suppliers, those parties that source raw material input to send it to the manufacturer. The downstream, on the other hand, refers to activities post-manufacturing, namely distributing the product to the final customer. Downstream supply chain can also be thought as the demand side, while upstream supply chain is the supply. Supply chain managers seek to balance demand and supply to make sure that there are no lost sales, inventory shortages, or over ordering. Supply chain inefficiencies can waste up to 25% of operating costs, so matching supply and demand is of paramount importance. Delineating upstream versus downstream portions of supply chain can help supply chain manager get a handle on three main flows that happen in creation and distribution of a product. That is, number one, flow of products, number two, flow of money, and third one is a flow of information. Thanks for watching. Bye.